Did you know cats can survive falls from skyscrapers? Cats don't just land on their feet. They slow their fall midair like little furry parachutes. It's called the cat riding reflex. And it's so advanced, some cats have survived 32-story falls. They hit the ground and just walk off like, try harder, gravity. So if you're a cat and you're ever falling from a great height, don't panic. Just try to relax and remember, it's just another Tuesday. That's all for today. See you next time. Got a crazier animal? Fact, drop it in the comments below and we might feature you. Follow for more ridiculous animal facts.